What's the difference between HCG shots and B12 with MIC shots? B12 with MIC shots, again, B12 is a vitamin. It's a water-soluble vitamin. We like to give a high-dose B vitamin, B12 vitamin with MIC. MIC is Methionine Inositol Choline, which we use for a liver cleanse. It's like a liver detox kind of minerals. So basically, we combine the B12 with the liver cleanse, and what it does is that it gives you like an energy boost. And sometimes people report to us that not only they feel like they have a lot more energy, but they feel that they've lost like 1-2 pounds of whatever excess weight that they were carrying around that they were unable to lose. So that's a B12 MIC shot. It's like an energy shot with a liver cleanse. HCG, however, is like our food addicts diet, which is HCG is a hormone. It is a hormone that women have when they're pregnant. But what it does when women are pregnant, it's like a very high, at a very high level in your body. But when we are using it for basically weight reduction, we give you like a very trace of this hormone. And it does two things. One is that it pacifies your appetite center so you don't feel that hungry anymore. And the second thing that it does is that it actually allows your body to metabolize fat faster. So basically we tell you to decrease as the appetite center is pacified, focus on what the food intake is, so you can train your brain how to view food because it's a food addict's diet. And the second thing is that it allows your fat to be metabolized for energy. So it's kind of something that resets your body. And we have like it's monitored by us. These are basically shots. We pre-fill the shots and we give it to you, and we bring you back once a week to check your weight and your blood pressure and everything to see that you're on track for it. This is a weight reduction plan which we offer to anybody who has issues with figuring out how to deal with food around themselves, because remember, we are living in an era where there is so much food, and a lot of the food that is around us is really not real food. It is basically these products that are curated to play with our brains, which makes us eat more. So basically HCG is a diet that we curate, and I personally like it so much only because it allows me to help people to figure out what the real food is and how to just stay on the path of health. I hope that answered your question. So again, those are two different things. HCG is something that you could utilize for weight reduction, but B12 is something that you use for energy, and sometimes we combine them both.